Hey you guys, welcome back for color of the day for day 19. That's right, we left off on day 18. Is color of the day for day 19. Recognize this look from the previous video, the under the sea looking hottie day 19. Well, now we're on color of the day for day 19. So, introducing Moodstruck powder blush in the shade Serene. Ta-da. It's a metallic pink. It's very, very simple, very, very subtle. You might not even be able to really see it because that is how light it is. It is so, so light, but it's a nice shimmery metallic, so maybe, fingers crossed, right? But you can kind of see a little bit of the highlight from it, but trying to put as much on here as I can. If I have to, I will just wipe it with my finger and show you that way. But like I said, it's very, very light, but if I move enough, you'll be able to see the light reflecting off of it because it is a metallic. But let's do this. Let's just use my finger. There we go. See? It's there. You can tell the different skin tones right there. That's how light it is. That's how light it is. So, if you would like something that is just that light with a little bit of, highlight to it, all you guys do is use the link at the bottom of the description for this video. Once on the website, go to shop, then select the face category. Some people call it a face tab, but it's a category that says face. Yeah. And then you scroll down to Moodstruck powder blush. This is the limited edition right here. It'll have a green star next to it. Or at least it should. It should. Anywho, thank you guys for hanging out with me. Duh. I'll see you guys in a little bit after I shower and then do my next live. Yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye.